Hi, I'd like to take a quick moment to introduce you to the GTFE plugin, the Google Translate for Excel plugin from technitia.com. This product aims to be the best translation software for Microsoft Excel documents. This product uses either Google's Translation API or Microsoft Translation API to translate the contents in Excel files into various languages. The key objective of this project is to make the translation process, which could potentially take many hours, take only a few minutes. We've built in much intelligence in the software, which makes the process as seamless as possible. Not only would you have access to specific functions that would work like Excel-based formulas, but you would also have the ability to translate the whole document with just a few clicks. The software takes care of translating the comments in Excel cells, the buttons, the formula contents, and many other little details, which almost all other services out there seem to ignore. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration, and I'm going to show you the full process of how it works. As soon as you make a purchase from the website, you'll get an email that looks like this. This email will have the link to download the MSI file, and it will have your license key. For the purpose of this demonstration, I've already downloaded the MSI file. Now let's install it. Once the software is installed, open Excel. You will see this new menu in Excel called Translate. Now, before we do anything else with the software, I will need to first go and get our API keys so we can access the translation services provided by Microsoft or Google. So once you've got the keys, we'll tell the software which translation engine to use, and also save our settings. To do that, we'll open the Settings menu. We'll copy and paste our API keys in the appropriate boxes, and click on the translation engine that we want to use. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to use Google's API. You could also click this Test Connection button if you're able to make the connection with the API, and then you're ready to go. Then you save your settings and close this form. So now we can start using the translate functions. So to translate a cell, simply start typing the name of the function, which is translate. Select the cell you want to translate, and give the language code of the language you want to translate this text to, and press Enter. Now let's try using the Microsoft API. We can also pass the target language code as an argument of the function. And because we're using Microsoft API now, we will say Translate with Bing, the text that you want to translate. We will fix column C and the target language code, and we'll fix row 2. And then, of course, we can simply copy and paste this across to get all of the languages. Let's say we want to translate everything back to English. Select the source language, and the target language will be English. Click on Translate Active Sheet. Now, if you want to translate the full workbook in German, click on Translate Full Workbook. And as you can see, the text in this shape is also translated. And the comment is also translated. To show you a bit more real-life examples of how this software can be so powerful, I've downloaded a financial template from the internet. Let's try and translate it. Select the source language as Auto Detect. Select the target language as French, and then click on Translate Workbook. So as you can see, everything is translated, including the text box. We really hope you'll find this software is useful. We'd love to have you as a customer. Thank you very much for your time.